With this thought of Mahatma Gandhi, I, Himanshi Khani, would like to start our digital assembly on the topic Martyrs' Day. Every year, January 30 is observed as Martyrs' Day, Akash Shahid Divas, which marks the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, Gandhi ji, who is known as the father of nation. On this day, he was assassinated in 1948, and since that day, January 30 is named as Martyrs' Day. To enlighten the significance of this day, here is Sanjana Gangwar with a meaningful thought.
Good morning, everybody. It's me, Sanjana Gangwar, standing in front of you for today's thought. So, thought for the day is martyrs don't die, they continue to live in our hearts as inspiration. I repeat, martyrs don't die, they continue to live in our hearts as inspiration. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Sanjana, for this wonderful quote. Here we have Arshdeep Kaur to know more about Martyrs' Day with an English article.
A very refreshing morning to one and all. This is Arshdeep Kaur of class 11th Commerce here with an article on this historic day, that is Martyrs' Day. Martyrs' Day. Before we begin, it is very important for all of us to know that in India, 6 dates are declared as Martyrs' Day. However, 30th January is the date recognized at the national level. This date was chosen to mark the assassination of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in the year 1948. Gandhiji played a prominent role in India's freedom struggle and used the methods of non-violence and peace to attain freedom from the British. Many states in India declared this day as a dry day to show their respect toward Gandhiji. In India, on this day, the national anthem of India is played and people all over India observe 2 minutes of silence in the honor of the martyrs who sacrificed their lives. Many schools in India organize events and programs in which students participate and display patriotic songs and plays. Thus, Martyrs' Day helps to unite the hearts of all Indians and brings the country together. Thank you.
Thank you, Arshdeep, to share the knowledge about Martyrs' Day. Now, to pay homage to honor the sacrifices made by Mahatma Gandhi and countless other brave Indians, we have Avneet Kaur with an English poem.
They sacrificed their lives for India. They even leave their moms, dads, and wives. They fight near the border in any situation, care a lot for their incredible nation. For India, each one of them fought. Many of them were even shot. Families have tears in their eyes. In our heart, each martyr lies. These soldiers make us feel proud. Jai Hind, I scream out loud. Soldiers always give their best so that all of us can peacefully rest. Soldiers are my real avengers. They keep the nation away from any danger. Thank you.
Wonderful job, Avneet. There is no greater sacrifice known to man than to lay down on life in the defense of the nation. So, here we have Gayatri Rawat with a Hindi poem.
करो याद तुम उन वीरों को जिनकी सरहद पर जान गई, करो याद तुम उन बालाओं को जिनकी शरण में आन गई, करो याद तुम उन माताओं को जिनके अपने प्रिय सुत खोए, करो याद तुम उन बहनों को जो रक्षा बंधन पर रो, लहू बहा कर सीमाओं पर अमन चैन का फूल खिला, अपने प्राणों की बलि देकर भारत माँ का मान बढ़ाए, सरहद पर मर मिटने वाले अजर अमर सब कहलाओगे, मर कर भी हम इन वीरों का कैसे कर्ज चुका पाएंगे.
An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. So here are my friends Khushi, Kirti and Sneha with a song on Martyrs' Day.
तेरी ज़मीं अफ़सोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे. ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफ़सोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे.
wonderful job, friends. So, here our respected teacher Alok sir would like to share some knowledge on this day.
Salute to all our martyrs who ensured our freedom by sacrificing their life. The people who have made the history are martyrs. The blood of the martyrs is the seed of the nation. These martyrs of patriotism gave their lives for an idea. With this thought, a very fresh and warm morning to everyone. Today is the day which is to be considered as Martyrs' Day. This day is to be considered as Martyrs' Day because on 30 Jan 1948, the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, was assassinated at Gandhi Smriti in the Birla House during evening prayer. So, the government of India is to be considered as this day as Shahidi Divas or Martyrs' Day. So, the student of Gurukul also want to make you understand about the importance of very important day which is considered as Martyrs' Day and also giving tribute to our bravery martyrs with this wonderful and thoughtful digital assembly. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
पति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम